Hello, Victor here from Motor Matching Crewe. Today we'll be showing you around this Ford Puma 1.5T EcoBoost ST, finished in striking red color and powered by 1.5-litre turbocharged petrol engine delivering 200 PS, and paired with manual transmission. This Puma offers dynamic and corner-loving fun just in time for upcoming summer adventures. The ST line from bumper with body-colored accents and fixed LED signature headlamps give the Puma aggressive road presence, while the stunning 19-inch alloy wheels aren't just about the looks, they help deliver sharper turn-in and stable handling. At the back, the large ST spoiler and unique rear bumper design inject a bold and athletic finish, while LED rear lamps and privacy glass complete the stylish rear end. The boot is surprisingly generous thanks to Ford's Megabox extended boot space system. With hands-free power tailgate, you can load up with ease even when your hands are full. Rear passengers benefit from supportive sport-style seats, ambient LED courtesy lighting and excellent head and legroom. Isofix anchor points ensure safe travels for younger passengers. Up front, you get heated sport seats with lumbar adjustment and red stitching for racy feel. The carbon-look interior accents and soft-feel ST gear knob elevate the cabin, while the deluxe headliner adds a premium finish. The ST flat-bottom steering wheel with metal grey stitching is heated and multifunctional, controlling everything from audio to driver assistance. Behind it, the digital instrument cluster gives you crisp, customizable readout of all information you might need. With electronic automatic temperature control, you can set your perfect temperature and let the system take care of the rest. The infotainment system comes with B&O premium audio system for powerful immersive sound, phone connectivity and mobile apps, allowing you to connect your device via FordSync free and access apps with ease, as well as full screen sat nav with voice control for fast free journeys, and settings for the vehicle, allowing you to tailor everything from drive modes to ambient lighting. You can also set voice control for hands-free operation to keep your eyes on the road. Last but not least, reversing camera makes parking in tight spaces a breeze. This has been a presentation of the Ford Puma 1.5T EcoBoost ST. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.